Welcome back, IP2. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today, we are reviewing the media creation with Paint3D program. This is lesson 8, semester 2. Words to remember: geometry shapes, square, rectangles, triangles, polygon, circle, geometric shapes, squares, rectangles, triangles, and polygons, and circle, of course. So geometric forms, the 7 basic face shapes are oval, round, square, diamond, heart, pear, and oblong. So these are the basic shapes. And geometric forms are these angular that have these shapes that have angles and have degrees, and depending on the degree you name them depending on how many edges they have. So those are called geometric shapes, like square, for example. A square is a figure with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Rectangles. A rectangle is a 2D shape. In geometry shapes, having 4 sides and 4 corners, its 2 sides meet at the right angles. So what I mean is it has 4 sides, which the one that are opposite of each other are equal to each other, which in the square has 4 sides, 4 corners also, but all 4 sides have the equal size. Triangles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. A polygon is a flat 2-dimensional shape with straight sides that is fully closed. On all sides, they are joined up. So these are all with the angles and with the sides and all this. They are called differently based on all this information. A circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are that are at a given distance from a given point, the center. So they are measured from the center to the edge. So a lot of points next to each other with the equal distance from the center. So Paint3D is a graphics and 3D modeling application, which is a refresh of Microsoft Paint. On your desktop, and so you can see it on your desktop and search for Paint3D. So when you look on your desktop, you will be able to search here for Paint3D. You can find it there. On your desktop, search for Paint3D and you can click on it to open it, just like this. And the first page that you will get is this page. This is the first page you will get, and first option that can help you to create a new empty project. Or click open to open an existing project that you are working on. This is the first page, of course. And lastly, you can also choose paste to paste, choose paste to paste the picture you have copied and paste it inside the program. So let's choose a new program, a new folder or a new project. All the tools and features are available on top. So on top, you can see all the features. This is the editing panel on the right, which changes based on the tools you choose. So take a look here before I move on. So this changes based on what tool you choose up here. And basically is extra editing options for those main tools. To paste image, go to menu, open and browse for the image you want, or just copy and paste it. You can edit your image size it, rotate it, and move it. Once applied, you can't move it anymore. You can give a specific size. You can undo with Control Z on your keyboard. Also, you can give the size of the page itself. Brushes, you can click and drag to draw freehand. You can choose type of brushes, thickness, and opacity. So here you can see the brushes. Here you can see the types of brushes that you can use and the thickness, opacity, and etc. 2D shapes. You can draw exact 2D lines, curves, and regular objects. So you can take a look where the location is to click the 2D shapes and how to edit. And you have the detailed editing here on the right. Fill in, stroke, color, size, opacity. These are some options that you can use. You can also rotate, flip. Stickers. You can import ready icons, all 2D shapes, and all 2D shapes will become part of the drawing after you apply it, and it will be not editable. You can use and make 3D to make a 2D into a 3D shape. So by clicking the make 3D, there's an option that you can choose make 3D, and you can make the drawing to become 3D. 3D library provides ready 3D shapes. So you can use those to add to your drawing or your background or whatever you have. You can reshape, resize, and scale the 3D shape. Z-axis helps to adjust the shapes on the plane. So you can adjust the animal to be closer or further away. Create your own 3D and 2D content. Use what you learned And you can mix 2D shapes and 3D shapes to achieve the picture you want. You can create any 3D model you like as long as you make it using the tools you have learned. After you finish, please take a screenshot or save it as a JPEG and upload it to the e-learning platform. This is due to the due date for this is 13th of January. So please make sure that you do it on time and everything is well done, and that this would be your homework for the next class. So finish it, please, on time. And now let's take a look at the program itself. Let's open Paint3D. Just open it. So this is the first page that I told you about that you will get. You can just click new and you can check what they have, what you can do. So the first option is brushes up here. You can just simply click which one you want and just come and draw. And you can draw something. So this is the 2D drawing tool basically. Or there's the pen. So you can see the differences between the options that there is. And this one would be the eraser, the mark, the spray, and the paint, the bucket that which would color the whole page basically. And of course, there's these options that you can use and try to see the difference. Opacity makes the color less and more. You can choose a color that you want to use and have like what color you want to choose. There's the 2D shapes, the curve, that you can adjust how you need it or how you like it. This, for example, like this. You can have circles. And so many shapes to choose from, and you can create whatever you need. And of course, also the color you can choose to be whatever you want, the outline or the fill inside. The stroke, the opacity, and clicking make 3D, it will make it 3D. You can move it just like this. It will be an 3D option, 2D object, so you can bring it further in front or further away. You can check the 2D options. You can either draw something like doodle it, or you can draw a strip like this, close it, and then it will transform your doodle. And there's just simple dots also. You can draw like a cube. Well, there's a lot of shapes that you can use, and then also there are people, icons, people that you can draw like this. Animals. These are all 3D options that you get in Paint3D. And also stickers, you can choose from what you need, what you want. You can add it to different parts. So don't forget, when you once put it, you cannot really edit it much anymore. And now our dog has a tongue. All right, so don't forget the homework. So for example, when you finish creating your 3D or 2D content, okay, I want you to create something, okay, like anything you like. You can create, be creative. I don't want to tell you what to do, because if I tell you, maybe you would follow it. But you can create a face using the sticker. This is, for example, one option that you can do. Create something that you like, a picture, a content, anything. So I don't want to tell you too much what to do, so you can be more creative. That's what I want. So when you finish, don't forget to take a screenshot of your page, this page that you practice or that you create your content, and then you upload it to the e-learning platform. All right. That's all for today. Thank you guys for joining. Take care. Stay safe. See you next class. Bye bye.